Hey there, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Today I'm standing over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois, in front of the all-new 2021 Chevy Tahoe LT. Now, this four-wheel drive Tahoe comes with a Ecotec 5.3 liter V8 engine, our back tinted windows, and when it comes to our wheels, we have 18 by 8.5 bright silver aluminum. Now we also have all black running boards, and when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio speakers with jet black leather seating with a gray lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have a brand new display with our same Chevy MyLink radio. We have our park, reverse, neutral, drive in a different spot. Heated seating on both sides. Bluetooth, front collision alert, and even cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. If you guys need any more assistance, please don't hesitate to give us a call.